Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to change the shape of comment in Excel. Now, if in case you have already inserted comment in Excel, you can see at the cell at the top right corner, you can see that red mark, which means the comment has already been inserted. By default, if you insert comment in Excel, I'll place my cursor over there. This is the default shape that I get, but you might be requiring the shape something like this. So that is what we are going to look at now. Now, I'll move on to my February sheet. I have the same details. I have the details of one particular company wherein I have the partners, their budgeted hours and their actual hours. Now, we'll quickly calculate variance. I'll start off with equal sign. Your actual hours minus the budgeted hours will give you the variance. So, now just place the cursor at the right bottom corner. You will get that small plus sign. Just double click in order to calculate the variance. Now, after getting variance, we can see that in finance department, the budgeted hours is 40, but they have worked only for 35 hours. By seeing variance of -5, you might be having a question, what might be the reason for this variance? So that you can leave a comment. So, quickly to leave a comment, go with review and then go with this new comment option. So, this is the default shape. I'll just type it as what is the reason for variance? Okay. Now I want to change the shape of the comment. So in order to change the shape of the comment, there is no direct command which is there in the report. All you have to do is that you'll have to add a particular command to the quick access toolbar. In order to do that, so this is your quick access toolbar. Next to that, you have a small drop down. Just click on that and go with this more commands option. In more commands option, you can see popular commands here. Just click over there and select Smart Art Tools Format tab. Once you click on that, you will get this list. From this list, select this particular option, change shape, and then click on Add, and then click on OK. So kindly note, this command will be placed in the quick access toolbar over here. I'll just give OK. Once you give OK, here you can see that the command has been added over here, but it's not highlighted. When will it get highlighted is what next we are going to look now. To change the shape of the command, go with review. Make sure you edit the command. Make sure once you move your cursor towards that particular box, you'll get that four-headed arrow. Just select that particular box of the shape. Now you can see this particular change shape option has been highlighted. Now click the drop down arrow next to that and select the shape that you want to apply. So you can just select the shape whichever you require. If in case I need this particular shape, select that. You can see automatically the shape has been changed. So if you want, you can drag it in order to adjust the size. So if you don't want to adjust the size, you may leave it as it is. So thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates.